Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mrs. Womby.
Today we're going to learn about the important duties of firefighters.
Firefighters?
Yes? Pappu?
Are firefighters the people that just put out fires?
That's one of their duties, Pappu. But firefighters do much more than that. Firefighters rescue people and animals from danger. Like when someone is stuck in a burning building or when a cat is trapped in a tree.
How do they know what to do in emergencies?
That's a great question, Milo. Firefighters train very hard to learn how to handle different situations. They practice climbing ladders, using different hoses, and rescuing people from tall buildings.
Tall buildings? But what if there was a really big fire? Like in the forest?
Firefighters also fight bushfires, Jumpy. They work together to stop the fire from spreading.
They must be brave and skilled, right?
Exactly. And they're dedicated to keeping us safe. Yes, Jumpy?
How do firefighters stop fires?
Firefighters teach people about fire safety. They show us how to use smoke alarms, make escape plans, and be careful with things like matches and candles.
So, they're not just heroes when there's a fire, but also they help us to stay safe from the fires.
That's right, Milo.
I want to be a firefighter when I grow up. Jumpy the firefighter.
That's a wonderful goal, Jumpy. Firefighters are always looking for brave and caring people like you to join their team.
See guys, I can spin the ball on my finger. How did you do that? That's spinning like the fire truck's wheels. I have a question. What about when firefighters aren't fighting fire? What do they do then? They may stay busy, training all the day with fire trucks and other machines. I really like the fire truck. Me too. And they have a huge ladder on top that can reach really high. They have special equipment in the fire truck, like axes and hoses to spray the water. Really? That's so cool! I wonder what it's like to ride a real fire truck. It's super exciting. Zooming through the streets with the signs blaring. Rushing to save the day. Attention guys, the magic stick's drawing a koala. Whoa, that's incredible. But why koala? Wait a minute. I think it's written in smoke. You're right. There is a fire nearby. Oh no, we have to find it and help. How do we find it? Let's follow the magic stick. Oh no, that's a massive fire. Ugh, we need to stop the fire. But how? Remember our fire safety lesson? We need to stay calm and think. Right. Firefighters use teamwork and specialized equipment to put out fires. But we don't have any equipment. Maybe the magic stick can help us. Oh guys, ready for the adventure. Magic stick is vibrating.
Magic stick choose. Who will the stick choose? Now let's see if it's you. Who will the stick choose? Magic stick choose.
What do we do today, guys?
Who will the stick
Let's
choose?
find out.
Now let's see if it's you.
Oh, we need a to work really hard to stop this fire. Hey, Pappu, wouldn't it be funny if you sprayed us with water? That would be hilarious. Guys, we're on a mission. We need to stay focused. Alright, sorry Milo. Yeah, you're right. We should stay focused on our task. Shh, focus. Jump in. Where's the koala? Jumpy, keep searching. Alright. Look up there. Yeah, it's him. Hey, wake up, little koala. Koala, you're in danger. There's a fire. Come on, little fella, open your eyes. Oh no, the fire is running towards the tree. We have to do something different. How? We can't reach it with our hose. How about the ladder? That's a great idea, but we need to stop the fire first. Pappu, aim your water streams towards the tree. We need to wake up the koala and create a barrier between it and the fire. Got it. Don't worry, we're here to help you. We are sorry to wake you, but there is a fire nearby. We need to get you into safety. He may be having the best dream until he felt water on him. There's no time to waste. Pappu, keep spraying water to protect the koala, while Jumpy and I clear a path for it to escape. Come on, little buddy, you're almost there. It was our pleasure. Stay safe out there. We did it, guys! We saved the koala! Pappu, you're back! Yeah, we make the best team. I'm so glad that we were able to help. That koala was so cute. Teamwork and quick thinking can make all the differences in emergencies. And it's important to always be aware of our surroundings. We might not have noticed the koala if we weren't paying attention. Absolutely. Let's make sure the area is safe and then head back. We've done our part here. Everything looks good here. Yeah, let's head back home. Mom, you won't believe what happened today.
What got you so excited?
We rescued a koala from a bushfire in the forest.
Whoa! That's incredible! Are you okay? Were you in any danger?
Don't worry, Mom. We're all fine. But it was a close call for the koala. If we hadn't acted quickly, it could have been trapped in the fire.
It takes courage to step in during an emergency like that.
But it wasn't just me. We all worked as a team.
That's great.
Yeah, and it made me realize how grateful we should be for firefighters. They risk their lives every day to keep us safe.
Absolutely, Milo. We owe them a debt of gratitude for their bravery and dedication to protecting us.
I think we should do something to show our appreciation.
Wonderful idea. How about we write them thank you cards?
Sure, let's do it. It's the least we can do to say thank you.
I couldn't agree more. I'm proud of you, son.
Thanks, Mom. I just wanted to do my part to make the world a better place.
That's true, indeed.
What's for dinner?
Your favorite pepperoni pizza.
Yummy.